Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I am an adult services librarian at Santa Clara City Library, Central Park. In today's cooking from home video, I will be showing you how to make a chocolate cake in a mug. This recipe requires 4 ingredients and it's actually pretty easy to do um, once you figure out what the core ingredients that you need are, as well as the cooking time. Um, this recipe was really interesting to make because I've tried to make it before and it did not come out well. However, I think this time around I have figured out the key to making this and it was actually really good. My family said that it did taste like actual cake, which was something that I was really glad to hear. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. So the first thing you're gonna need is flour. You're also going to need Nutella, milk. I used oat milk. And then you're also going to need baking powder as well as some measuring utensils. When it comes to the flour, I would suggest sifting it into your measuring cup. You're going to be using a fourth of a cup of flour. And I'm going to be using my smaller measuring spoons to gently um, add that into the measuring cup. We don't want to pack it in, we want it to be light. And then just go ahead and level it off. And then we are going to go ahead and add that into our cup. And so with the Nutella, I decided to just go ahead and eyeball it because I figured it would be kind of hard to get it out of my measuring cups. So again, you're going to be adding a fourth of a cup of Nutella to the mug. So, when it comes to the milk, we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of milk to our cup. Like I mentioned before, you're welcome to use regular milk, 2% whole milk, whatever you have on hand. I went ahead and used oat milk for this recipe, and it actually came out really good. So, again, just adding 3 tablespoons directly to the mug. And so the next thing I'm going to be doing is adding 1/4 of a teaspoon to my cup. And then after that, so once the baking powder is added to the mug, I'm going to be grabbing a spoon and then mixing everything together until it is fully incorporated. It should actually feel kind of thick, so it's not going to look exactly like regular cake consistency. It's actually going to feel quite a bit thicker and kind of dense. Um, but that means that you're on the right track. So it should just look brown completely. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom through that process. And then, so once that's done, once it's fully incorporated, you're going to be adding it to your microwave for a total of 1.5 to 2 minutes. I went ahead and cooked mine for 2 minutes, just because I wanted to ensure that it was fully cooked. And it came out really good. So I'm just going to zoom through the rest of the video and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what my chocolate cake in a mug looks like. This is the completed cake. And as you can see, it's kind of steamy and warm right now, but it definitely tastes like cake and it's really easy to make and delicious to enjoy. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more craft and cooking videos by Santa Clara City Library staff. Have a great day.